Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel that is post myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you how to fetch and show API data into our Django application. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Django updates. So guys, here we go. But first I will show you working demo. See guys, here my Django application works well and I have used Booster 5 for better look. And also you can see Booster table with data, ID, product image, title, pricing and description that I'm getting from Web API. Now I will show you Web API JSON data. See guys, here's my blog, therichpost.com. Here you can see the fake JSON APIs menu. Click on it and you will redirect to the JSON API page and fake data REST APIs that I have used. This one products. See guys, this is my JSON Web API from where I'm getting this data like ID, title, price, image, and description. See guys, ID, title, price, image, and description works well. And now I will show you code. See guys, here's my base recipe template. Inside, I'm getting the data in for loop. See guys, for a variable in response data and how I have done ID, title. See guys, if I want to show the created date, very simple. Just I need to add one heading. This one create it, add and save it, and then inside the trtd I dot. Now we check the ability. See guys, we have get the data as well. Guys, sorry for the background disturbance. Today is holiday, so my kids are at home. So apologies for this, but let's see the output. Works well. It's very simple. Just I have did two things like say it. First, I have installed request rule. Then his request to get by API URL.json in JSON format. Insert response my variable and return render request based on HTML with response. And here's my HTML. Is it? I'm getting the data. See, works well. So guys, I hope it will be helpful to you. And if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And guys, if you will have any kind of project and new thing related to Django, then please do discuss with me via my blog. And guys, if you want more stuff in Django, then go to my blog, richpo.com. You can find free admin dashboard template in Django. Let me show you first Django category. See guys, Django admin dashboard, all are free. You will get more. And if you want to contact me, then here's my contact page where you can get my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and email form. That's it. Guys, I hope it will be helpful to you. And again, I must say I will share the course snippet link as well inside this video description. And guys, in the end, I will say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Guys, one more thing. For Bootstrap, I have used the direct CDNs like this. Thank you.